Three, two, one, hit it!
I'm sure you'll be amazed. Big fun to be had by everyone except you. Sure they can't be done. I do what I'm told. Just one try and you two will be sold. It's gonna look freak. They're doing it night and day. Allow us, we'll show you what.
Let's go, Santa Cruz!
Don't take home to my vibe. I'm her all-time favorite. When I make my move to her room, it's the right time. She's never hard to please. Oh no, that girl is pretty wild now. Girls are super freak. The kind of girl you read about in magazines. That girl is pretty kinky. Girls are super freak. I really love to taste her. Every time we meet, she's alright. She's alright. That girl's alright with me. Yeah. Hey, 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 hey!
Can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. My music hits me so hard, makes me say, oh my Lord, thank you for blessing me. When I'm mind too wild and too hype, it feels good when you know you're down. A super dope homeboy from the Oak Town, and I'm known as such. And this is a beat you can't touch it. I told you, homeboy, you can't touch this. Yeah, that's how we living, and you know you can't touch this. Look in my eyes, man, you can't touch this. Yo, let me bust up on the lyrics. Touch this. Fresh new kicks and bands, you got it like that. Now you know you wanna dance, so move out of your seat and get a fire girl and catch this beat while it's rolling. Hold on, pump a little bit and let the noise go on like that. Like that. Hold on a minute, just fall on back. Let them know that you're too much. And this is a beat they can't touch. Yo, I told you, you can't touch this. Why you standing there, man? You can't touch this. Yo, sound the bell, school is in, sucker. You can't touch this. Give me a song or rhythm, making them sweat. That's what I'm giving them now. They know. You're talking about the hammer, you're talking about a show that's hyped and tight. Singles are sweating so fast, I'm a whiteboard tape. To learn what's gonna take in the 90s to burn the charts. Legit, either work hard or you might as well quit. That's the word, because you know you can't touch this. You can't touch this. Break it down.
The chills that you spill up my back keep me filled with satisfaction when we're done. Satisfaction of what's to come. I couldn't ask for another. I couldn't ask for another. That's right. Your groove, I do deeply dig. No walls, only the bridge. My silver dish, my crocketesh wish.
Sing it, baby.
I couldn't ask for another.
Gives us a chance. We do more out on the floor. Groovin loose, or heart to heart. We put in motion every single part. Funky sounds, wall to wall. We're bumping booties, having us a ball, y'all. So shake it, grooving, yeah, yeah. Show 'em how we do it now. Shake it, grooving, yeah, yeah. Show 'em how we do it now.
Alright, right about now, the one who you don't know said Jabba Bob too. Right now we got the biggest group singers here right now. Brand new on the market. Listen everybody worldwide. Get used to that new stuff. You don't know. Right now, girl. Move it, baby. Look at that. Move your body. Alright, girl.
All up in the club, looking fly. They just must approach and caught his eye. So they moved away to the dance floor. Grab her hand and she with her. Oh my, got in the blue. Damn hot, me let it grind. Take my lips and probably didn't do. I'ma make you go. Ooh, oh my, got in the blue. Damn hot, me let it grind. Take my lips and probably didn't do. I'ma make you go. Ooh, your body girl.
Everybody wanna know.
Ooh, your body girl makes us better. You body girl makes
My love has got no money, he's got his strong beliefs. My love has got no power, he's got his strong beliefs. My love has got no fame, he's got his strong beliefs. My love has got no money, he's got his strong beliefs. One more and more, people just want more and more. Freedom and love, what he's looking for. One more and more.
How's everybody doing out there? Santa Cruz. I love you guys. Thank you so much for coming out. We got about 18 minutes left, folks. Let's get lost in the music right now.
Freed from desire. Mind and senses purified. Freed from desire. Strong beliefs. My love has got no power. He's got his strong beliefs. My love has got no fame. He's got his strong beliefs. My love has got no money. He's got his strong beliefs. One more and more. People just want more and more. Freedom and love. What he's looking for. One more and more. People just want more and more. Freedom and love. What he's looking for. Free from desire. Mind and senses purified, free from desire. Mind and senses purified, free from desire. Mind and senses purified, free from desire.
Really like the
Free from desire. Mind and senses purified, free from desire.
spark the funky beat, 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 spark the funky beat. Really like the funky beat, 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 the funky beat. Really like the funky tested, the best is closer than you will know, so let it in. Knock 'em out, without a doubt. All pumps are pumping, never a drought. Got that heat for the summer, I fly south. You ain't got nothing to say, shut your mouth. Back once again with a renegade. Who? The master, ghetto blasters, the faster. I'll make your brain feel another sensation. One groove, one nation. Don't this shit make my people wanna jump? Yeah, I think they wanna jump now. Yeah, I think it's gonna blow now. Get set, go and hit them with a big blast. 'em out. All pumps are pumping, never a doubt. What one nation. Big blow.
All night to this funky beat. All night to this funky beat.
Like I want you. Do you want me? Alright. Do you want me? Like I want you. Do you want me? Alright. Do you need me? Like I need you. Do you need me tonight? Do you need me? Like I need you. Do you need me all night?
3, 2, 1, hit.
Streisand. Barbara Streisand.
He was big and strong, his eyes made me glow. Look at him with terror in the field. To my soul cheeks, he was such a lovely kid. He preached the Bible like a preacher, full of ecstasy and fire. He also was the kind of teacher, being and
Barbara Streisand.
there was a cat that really was gone. It was a shame how he carried on.
God made me funky. Yeah. You know I'm taking it back to the mother lode, the mothership. Well, all right. You know it's time to get up for the downstroke. Ain't no joke. We going back like that, you know what I'm saying? Afros, picks, afro puffs, you know, rough and stuff. You know, cause God made me funky. Straight to the bone. Oh yeah, you know. Swinging a beat like this makes me wanna go back, you know. Back in the 70s, you know. Something like my man James Brown would say. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah, you know.
Where all my funky motherfunkers at tonight? How y'all doing, Santa Cruz? We got about 5 minutes left. Woo, we're gonna keep it funky.
Don't let that bus pass you by. You know what I'm saying? Soul brothers, soul sisters. Putting your fists in the air, saying yeah. Something on a real old school tip. Oh yeah. You know, all I can say is that God made me funky. And I'm glad he blessed me that way. Yeah. Now that's what I'm screaming. You know, we gotta get together. Clean up the neighborhoods.
I see the crystal raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through. To make those rainbows in my mind when I think of you.
One more song after this. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Feeling better in the sky. Just the two of us. You and I. We look for love, no time for tears. We should walk all that is and don't make no flowers. You think might come to those who wait, not those who believe. We gotta go for all we know. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Feeling them castles in the sky. Just the two of us. You and I.
Actually, I do have one more song. This is the Fizz and Funk theme song that our friend Anker made for us. Now this might be a little scary. It was through AI.
DJ Shazam and Kale, they got the vibe, hosting Fizz and Funk. We gon' have the wild ride. Santa Cruz, get ready. We about to ignite night.
Yeah, for corny theme songs, let's go.
Feel it all night. DJ Shazam dropping beats, Kale on the mic. They bring the heat, make the crowd ignite. Fizz and Funk is the place to be. Santa Cruz, where the groove sets us free. Fizz and Funk is